Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to use teamwork.com for campaign management, the full 2025 guide. First up, let's create a new project. Log into your teamwork.com account, click on the Projects tab, and select Add Project. This step is critical as it sets the foundation for your entire campaign. Now that we've done that, we move on to adding tasks to the project. Click on the Tasks tab, then Add Task. Input the task details and assign it to team members. The reason we do this is to break down the campaign into manageable parts and delegate effectively. Next up, we'll use the Gantt chart feature. This helps us to visualize our project timeline and dependencies between tasks, ensuring no task is overlooked and everything is on track. Simply click on the Gantt tab on the main menu and start adding your tasks. Now let's talk about tracking progress. You can use the Dashboard tab to get a quick overview of your project's status. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Teamwork.com is integrating task completion, time tracking, and milestones to provide you with a comprehensive view of your campaign's progress. Last but not least, let's use the Notebooks feature. This is where you can document your campaign strategies, ideas, and meeting minutes. Click on the Notebooks tab and select Add Notebook. This helps us because it provides a centralized place for all our key campaign information. In conclusion, Teamwork.com offers a robust platform for managing your campaigns, from task delegation to progress tracking. Remember the steps: create a project, add tasks, use the Gantt chart, track progress, and utilize notebooks. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy campaign managing.